Sending documents for signature often means switching tools, chasing emails, and manually updating records in Salesforce. Sign Made Easy solves this eSignatures that work directly in Salesforce. So let's set it up, create a custom button, and send a document for eSignature. First, install Sign Made Easy onto your Salesforce org. Simply head over to Salesforce AppExchange and get it for free. Once installed, open the app launcher. Search for Sign Made Easy and open it. From there, select Sign Made Easy to connect it to your Salesforce org. Click Allow in the next menu, and that's it. Sign Made Easy is ready to manage your eSignatures. To make this process as seamless as possible, we need to create a custom button. Navigate to Button Creation Configuration. Here, choose the Salesforce object where you want the button to appear, enter a button name, and click Create Custom Button. Once the button is created, the next step is to make it available on the object's page layout. Select Page Layout, click on Account Layout, and scroll to Mobile and Lightning Actions. You'll find your newly created button there. Simply drag and drop it into the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Actions section and save the layout. Your button is ready to use. Let's now send a document for eSigning. Go back to the app launcher and open the object where you set up the custom button. For us, it was the account object. In the object, we can either create a new record or open an existing one. You'll now see the custom button on the record page. Click the button to get redirected to the Create Transaction page. From here, upload the document you want signed. In the Add Recipient section, search for and select a recipient. This can be a contact, lead, or user. Next, choose Preview and Tag to open the tagging screen. From the left panel, drag and drop the required tags onto the document. Once everything is in place, send the document for signature. The recipient receives an email with a secure link to the document that they can sign. And that's how Sign Made Easy removes friction from the signing process, by letting you send documents for signing quickly, all from within Salesforce.